Hello, today I'm in Honda Civic VIII. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look on the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the cruise control panel. To enable cruise control, simply press cruise button and now accelerate to desired speed. To start it, press set button. Now the cruise control is activated. If you want to increase the speed, press reset. To decrease it, press set. To pause it, press cancel. To start over again, press set. And to disable cruise control, press cruise. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.